Hi, and welcome back. My name is Alna from twinsmommy.com. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you the most profitable blogging niches for 2022. Oh yeah, there are definitely some blogging niches that make money. And I'm going to tell you a little bit of secret and to understand how and why these blog niches are actually making money. What's the reason behind it? What is it, Elna? Why are these ones and not other ones? I'll tell you a little secret about that. Also going to tell you that the blogging niches that make money can make money in a variety of ways. But towards the end, I'm going to share with you specific niches that do well with affiliate marketing. Are you ready to know the blogging secret about why these blog niches make money? Well, I'll tell you right now. It's all based on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. He has studied human behavior and what makes them do what they do. And it's based on these needs that are hierarchy. So your basic physiological needs are at the bottom, and then more self-actualization needs are at the top that require more of like the thinking processes, the mental clarity processes, and things like that. That's what they are. I can show you quickly what it looks like. This isn't a blog post of mine, but this is where it all sort of drums down. You'll make money with your blog niche if it falls in Maslow's hierarchy of needs. There are just lots here. I will go through them specifically what they are in terms of blog categories, blog niche category. The first one is health. The umbrella of health as a blog niche does make substantial amount of money. It also makes money for freelancers too. If you offer it as a service for freelance writing, copywriting, editing, proofreading, all of that you can do in the health industry alone. Under health is weight loss, healthy eating, recipes, mental health, as well as like even productivity with your health and lifestyle. All of that falls under health. It is a very competitive blog niche to make money, but you can get around that by finding low competitive keywords and maybe targeting some things on Pinterest. Pinterest loves recipes, for example. My Smart Mom Idea has a great content for recipes and people like to click on them and read about those recipes. In my Google Analytics, my top 8 post for Smart Mom Ideas is a recipe-based post with my Instant Pot or Crock Pot or meal planning freezing thing. It's something around with food related. That is one of my top posts in the top 10, right? So you can start getting content and people to that piece of content if you are doing health content, if you're doing a health niche blog. The next main blog category that follows under Maslow's hierarchy of needs is self-improvement, right? That's sort of up at the top. So we have things like productivity, beauty and fashion, right? To improve yourself. It falls under coaching, life coaching, productivity and mom life coaching. And all the fun art and hobby-based niches, pet care, you can do craft niches, kid activity niches, fall all under self-improvement. The next big blog niche category that makes money is relationships. So anything that follows under that concept like marriage, dating, relationship advice, divorce, single parenting, even that, because you have the relationship with your ex kind of thing. That falls under relationship. And yes, those niches do well, they're popular and they make money. And the last big category that's a blog niche that makes money is wealth, of course. So anything that talks about investing, saving money even, personal finance, retirement, even like alternative ways to make money too, side hustles, all of that falls under wealth. So as you can see, I've mentioned a lot of blog niche ideas that make money under these big categories, but I do want to share with you specific ones that have proven to do well, that have proven to make money. These blog niches make money and they're profitable. So I'm going to show you some of them and then I'll show you specific ones. The first blog niche that makes money is sewing. You can even lean towards crochet and knitting, but sewing in particular is a hot blog niche that generates income. And it's huge on Pinterest. So here is an example of Surella, and she has done income reports and she says that she makes over $10,000 with ads, affiliate marketing, and selling her patterns on Etsy. This is a crochet niche of the internet. So she does sewing and crochet. And so she's found that having newly published patterns and putting out content really helps her make money. The next blog niche that makes money is a parenting blog, right? You can make substantial income. Smart Mom Ideas makes good income. This parenting blog makes at least $5,000 a month or more. This is Mommy on Purpose, Carly's site. Health, I mentioned health. Be specific with health. This person, Jessica, does health for moms. I don't know if it's busy moms, but it's probably busy moms, right? She's focusing on those things probably after they postpartum exercises, things like that. That's her focus, right? It's not just healthy living for men and college students and working moms and all that. It's specific. So Jessica of Easy Living Today is a mom. And so she does a lot of things for other moms. And she has grown her blog. I believe she makes, about $20,000 a month or more with her blog. That's amazing. Considering health is a very difficult niche to get into, she has been able to develop a core audience. And now you're thinking, well, Elna, she probably started that blog like 6 years ago or 7 years ago. And maybe she has. But like I said, you can start this blog niche in 2022. It will take time to develop. Don't expect to make money probably in your first year. I don't expect that for my niche site. I need to build a library of content so that people actually come to the site and then click on my affiliate links or whatever I decide to do, sponsored content or whatnot. That's my plan. And so it should be your plan if you want to make money with your blog to not expect it to like skyrocket as soon as you put your affiliate links or as soon as you start doing sponsored content. It all relies on creating valuable content for your audience that they want to come and read your content. That's important. The next blog niche that makes money is lifestyle. I talk about lifestyle blogs on this channel, so make sure you check out that video of if you should start a lifestyle blog. Maybe this will help you to decide that. Lifestyle blogs are known to have multi-topics. And so you think, well, how can you make money if you have people of all different stages of their life and different interests come, and do they convert? Well, yes, they can. The $1 Million Mama generates around at least $5,000 a month just from her Amazon marketing. She probably has made more than that now. So this post was written a year or two ago. So I can only assume that she's making more money than she did previously. But just to make us a base of 5,000 with just Amazon, that's amazing. With a multi-topic blog. She blogs about being a millennial mom, about saving money and making money and other things as well. And believe it or not, another blog niche that's under the whole wealth aspect is saving money, frugal living. You can actually make money by telling people to not spend their money. Quite unusual, but it does work. This tiny blue house, I've been following Jenny for years, she makes more now, 1,500 it says here, but I can guarantee you she has really ramped up her content, her type of content that she provides. And I believe she's making more than that, at least 5,000, especially with just her ad income. She has a lot of traffic coming to this blog. Home decor. Again, this is a visual blog niche that does well on Pinterest that makes money. Your DIY projects, start creating blog content. YouTube videos, TikTok videos. Harper House is a mom of 3 who started her blog, and she is just giving the best advice for lots of different topics here. And she makes at least $6,000 a month. Perfect. Another blog niche is the newborn baby niche. All right. It's not pregnancy so much, but it's the baby niche. Swaddles and Bottles is a huge site. Caroline has writers on her sites now, and she has other sites. She's making a good income from Swaddles and Bottles. Right here, 11,000 at least. And this was a while back. So she's probably making more now a month. Believe it or not, Christian blogs are popular blogs with moms and other people, especially on Pinterest. Here's one, Araba Joy. Her income is over 6,000. Again, it's probably closer to 10,000 now. She has an ebook to sell. She has a digital product, more printables, and she does affiliate marketing. I have 5 more blog niches that make money in 2022. There's actually 6 now because I don't think I included my niche that I'm doing. That one will definitely make money for sure. All right, what are these sites? Why are they making money? These particular niche sites or niche topics are focused on one main topic that is highly searched on Google and do well on Pinterest because it can be visual. I share these niches in my guide here, in my keywords for ranking guide here. I give you the keywords for all of these niche topics, and I give you the keywords for these highly profitable niche topics here. So I have coffee. You can start an entire blog on coffee. I even, as a freelance writer, sign up to Haro, which is Help a Reporter Out. I get emails from people pitching, can you contribute to this post? Can you contribute? And a lot of them are coffee related. That tells you something. People with coffee blogs are getting writers to write the content, and those writers are trying to seek experts to write content about it so that they can have good blog content for a coffee site. I mean, that's amazing. So you can definitely dabble in that. If you enjoy coffee, go for it. You can do running, focus on marathon running, running shoes, running gear. There are endless products that you can market for affiliate marketing. That's why these niches do well, because there are a ton of products around that blog niche. Camping is another one, gardening, and the one I'm doing now is more like cleaning products. Tons and tons, cleaning products, organization products, all of that. The home products. Now I can link to house furniture if I wanted to. It just grows and grows and grows as far as a potential for income. So those are the top most profitable blog niches that you can start in 2022. Go ahead and grab my easy keyword guide so you can get started on one of these niche sites. Definitely, I have the top sites that we talked about, parenting in here. I have crafts, baby, all that in here for keywords that you can start using. I do update this regularly. I do add more keywords to this because I do know that other people are using it, but these are still very viable and sustainable keywords that you can rank for. Tons of people write about the same keyword. It's only, a few that win, and these are easy for you to rank for. So pick up this guide and tell me in the comments below, are you in any of these most profitable blog niches? Let me know. Tell me what it's all about. I'd love to hear it. All right. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.